Welcome to Reachowl. In this video, we'll explore how to generate multiple AI alternative responses for Facebook post scheduling, messaging, and comment replies using Reachowl automation. Let's start with Facebook Post Scheduler. Click on the Post Scheduler button. Select your Facebook groups where you want to schedule your post. Then click Next. Write your post text in the editor. Now click on Add Post Variations to create alternate versions of your post. A new text area will appear with your existing content. At the bottom, you'll see a magic icon. Click it. A pop-up will appear. Select your preferred tone. Then click Generate Variations. And just like that, you will get multiple alternative post texts. Click Use this to apply your preferred variation. Now let's move to messages and comment replies. Click on Create Campaign and choose a box. Here, we'll select Facebook Friend Suggestions. Choose your campaign purpose and complete the form. Click Next. Now write your message or comment text. Click on Add Message Variations to create alternative messages. A new text area will appear with a magic icon at the bottom. Click it. Select your tone from the pop-up. Then click Generate Variations. You will now see multiple alternative messages generated for you. Simply click Use this to select your preferred version. Finally, click Save to complete your setup. That's it. You're now ready to automate and scale your Facebook engagement using Reachowl. Thanks for watching.